Next today we have AutonomUS. Romeo Catracchia has spent his career at the intersection of innovation and impact building, fixing and growing healthcare businesses in ways that move the needle. After a lengthy career with large medical device companies, Romeo worked with the Mayo Clinic Ventures, developing a number of orthopedic startups. AutonomUS has created a handheld robotic platform that integrates ultrasound imaging, AI, and robotic execution into a compact device that first responders and practitioners can use. Please welcome Romeo Catracchia, CEO.
Thank you so much for that introduction, Sarah. Hey, good morning, everybody. I'm Romeo Catracchia. I'm the CEO of AutonomUS. And today we're going to be talking about a product called the AI Guide. We affectionately refer to it as the Pocket Interventionalist. And that's because, well, it fits in your pocket. It's completely portable, a lab coat pocket anyway. And also it performs very complex medical interventions, and it does so with great ease and precision. We all know how surgical robotics has transformed the surgical suite, but to tell the truth, most medical interventions don't take place in the operating room. They take place in places like the ER and the ICU and in pre-op, etc. And these are very complex procedures, and the patient is generally awake, and they're painful and they're anxiety-inducing. And before you combine the skills gap that occurs in healthcare in general, as well as staffing challenges, before you know it, you end up with workflow delays, all kinds of inefficiencies, and of course, the high cost of complication rates. Our solution to that is something that we refer to as our AI Guide. It's basically combining three technologies together: artificial intelligence, ultrasound guidance, and robotics technology. And what you're seeing there is a picture of an early prototype, but you can see it features an application-specific disposable cartridge that gets loaded into the device. And then you can see that it has a guidance display that can be shown in either expert mode, in which you're actually seeing the ultrasound, or novice mode, and I'm going to demonstrate novice mode here in this video. This video is femoral central line placement in a peg. And okay, it's not playing the video here. As you can see how quickly the device picks up the vein and directs the individual to the correct location. And with the press of a needle, it completes the Sellinger technique, which is to put a needle into the vessel, followed by a guide wire, followed by a catheter or needle sheath. This last part will be automated in future products. But as you can see, as he's pulling out the guide wire, that you have successfully achieved central vascular access in about 30 seconds. All right. Our beachhead markets are vascular access and nerve block. Combined together, they represent a $2.3 billion opportunity. And of course, here in the United States, where healthcare is basically generated through a number of procedural codes and reimbursements, there are existing codes and reimbursements, quite robust ones, that are shown here on the right-hand side of the slides for these procedures. Our business model is directed at both military and civilian markets. The military very much wants this product to save soldiers in the battlefield, as you can imagine. But the same challenges are faced in hospitals, ambulatory centers, and with first responders. And our business model is a classic razor and blade with a piece of capital equipment that is relatively low cost, as well as a numerous high margin cartridges that are then developed and designed for various interventions. This is a demonstration of our timeline and our inflection points. As you can see, we're coming out of the red, which is the seed round, into our Series A, which is green. We're looking at launch of the product in late 2027, and thereafter, the company is just simply building additional cartridges for more and more applications, thereby increasing the versatility and value of the device, and of course, the value of the company. In terms of momentum, we have signed a technology development agreement with the leader in portable ultrasound, which is GE Healthcare. We have achieved FDA breakthrough device designation, which will get us to market faster. We have numerous patents that have been filed, and our foundational patent has been issued by the USPTO. And we've been very good at leveraging non-dilutive funds, $3.2 million to date, and another $6.9 million expected by September of this year. We are raising $5 million in a Series A round to basically help us with our 3-year milestone of bringing the product from prototype all the way through FDA and into market launch. And with that, I'd like to thank you very much for your time. And if you're interested in exploring this as an investment opportunity, please feel free to connect with me. Thank you.